Madame Goo is a super yacht built in 2013 at the Dutch Feadship yard in Makkum. This year she was built as Project Dream. This year Madame Goo is designed by Andrew Winch Designs, who were responsible for both interior and exterior. Naval architecture was done by Voogt Naval Architects. Design. The length of the yacht is 99 meters, 325 feet. And the beam is 13.60 meters, 44.6 feet. The draft of Madame Goo is 4.60 meters, 15.1 foot. The hull material is steel, while the superstructure is made out of aluminium with teak-laid decks. The yacht is Lloyd's registered, issued by the Cayman Islands. Engine. The main engines are 4 MTU 20 volts 4000 M73 with a power of 4.828 horsepower, 3.600 kilowatts each. The Madame Goo can reach a maximum speed of 28 knots, 52 kilometers per hour. Prizes. At the World Super Yachts Award Gala in Amsterdam, she won the award for Best Displacement Motor Yacht of 2000 GT and above. She was also presented with prize of Super Yacht of the Year 2014. See also: Motor yacht. List of motor yachts by length. List of yachts built by Feadship. Feadship.